Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. Today I will solve this C problem. Here is our problem statement. Write a C program that uses loops to create a triangle of stars and print them with each row containing one more star than the previous row, up to 5 rows. Now let's start solving this problem. First, we need to include the stdio.h library. This will allow us to use the input-output function. We can put some space here. Then we need to define the main function where our programs begins. Return 0 for the main function. Now I will declare two integer variable I and j. We will use the nested for loops for this program. In nested for loop, we have two for loops, which means one is outer loop and the other is a inner loop. For the outer loop, I am using I, and for the inner loop, I will use the value j. Now inside the inner loop, I will use printf function to print the star. In the outer loop, I am using printf function to move the cursor to a new line after each row to create the triangle effect. After the program is executed, it will create the stars. Here is our library function stdio, main function for the programs. Integer variable I and j to control the number of rows and columns. The outer for loop for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, as in our question it says 5 rows, so we are using 5. I increment. The inner for loop j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j increment. Here j runs as equal to I, which means it will run 5 times. This is our inner loop. And this is the outer loop. When it is executed, it produces a pattern where each row has increasing number of stars than the previous one, forming a neat triangle. We can change the rows or columns number inside the condition. Here is 10 row. That's all. Thank you.